Hi guys, yeah, we've been changing the rocker cover gasket, valve cover gasket for the BMW 6-cylinder engine. It applies pretty much to any straight 6 BMW engines. This one is M54 block. Basically all the blocks are the same, M54 blocks, B22, B25, B28, B23, B30 like we've got here, so it's gonna apply to pretty much anything of this era. So the new gasket, I'm encouraging you to buy a genuine one from BMW. I've paid about £50 for it, which is not too bad, and obviously the rubber quality is much better than other gaskets. I've tried other ones before and they kept leaking, especially from this corner here at the front of the engine. This corner here, it was leaking quite a bit. That's why I'm changing it. So yeah, you need to take first of all you need to take the two top covers off, the plastic covers from the engine, which is that one and the other one where the oil cap is. They've got basically 10mm sockets in each and two caps, plastic caps, so just take that out, and then basically you're gonna see your spark plugs and yeah, all your spark plugs and the cables. So you need to just basically disconnect 6 of the cables towards the spark plugs. Take this out for the spark plugs. So it's 6 of them, and then basically you're gonna take out, there you are, it's gonna be two little knots basically for the ground, for the cables, for the plugs, and then you're gonna take the rail out. Here it's got the clips on the bottom where the rocker cover is, and then basically gonna work your way around, taking all the knots out. There you are, for all of them, to take the rocker cover out. These are the ones here, they are 10mm, all of them are 10mm as well, and also there is gonna be 4 in the middle here in between the spark plugs. So it's gonna be 4 of them, which is 1, 2, 3 and 4 over there. Once you've taken that out, you can take the rocker cover out, rocker cover, and yeah, that's just take the gasket out. Make sure you clean insides of the rocker cover, clean obviously all the areas around here in between, and then put your new rocker cover and yeah, torque it to the right settings and put everything back in reverse. Yeah, so it's pretty much of an easy job. It takes between half an hour to 1 hour. Even if you are not experienced with tools and stuff like that, it should take you up to an hour. It's quite of an easy job. Just a few knots, as you can see. So obviously these are all the ones around. These here are the ones in the middle between the spark plugs, and then oil cap, you need to take that out. The little plastic covers, both of them for the other plastic covers on the top, and then these bolts and knots as well for the covers, and that's it. And obviously these plugs, and that's pretty much it. Just put it back, torque it back to the right setting, and yeah, fingers crossed it's gonna be all good. And also check if there is no any oil inside where the spark plugs sit, because there could be a bit of oil if the gasket was leaking around this area here, which I had before. Had to change the plugs and stuff. So yeah, just make sure everything's nice and tight and put back together, and you should be okay. Just to show you the rocker cover quickly, it's been all cleaned as well, obviously inside the channel here, all around, in between here as well for the spark plugs, so everything is nice and snug and tight, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, so nice and easy job, guys. Yeah, good luck, cheers.